Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chef Adarsh. Today I am gonna show you how to make chicken marry me.
You just want attention. You don't want my heart.
Now first I am preparing my chicken broth. I am using a non-stick pan because I want to reduce the broth very quickly. I am adding bony pieces so my broth becomes thick. And now before searing my chickens in a cast iron pan, I am gonna cover them with a bit of flour. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of salt, some thyme. You should be generous with the amounts because it is not gonna impact the final taste severely. It is just going to add a sweet extra layer of flavor. Now I'm gonna take my chicken, roll them around in the special flour. First of all, add a generous amount of butter. Since we are searing it, we want there to be a lot of butter. You can see my chicken is completely seared and now it's just waiting for the gravy. Now as you guys can see, I have removed my chicken pieces from the broth, and ideally we should roast the garlic in the same pan, but since I'm gonna save time, I'm gonna add cream in the very same pot in which I prepared the broth. I'm gonna slowly give it all a good mix. It's time to add my garlic and the most important part of the dish, sun-dried tomato. So I'm gonna add turmeric to give it the classic yellow color, thyme, some dried oregano and chili flakes. Time to add my chicken so it can stew in the gravy for some time. Now I'm gonna just give it all a good mix. As you can see, my sauce has thickened and how creamy and luscious it has become, and you can also see it glazing my spatula a little bit. It means that the sauce is cooked and ready. You can also see one of the chicken pieces here. It is also thoroughly coated in sauce. Soon I'm gonna give it a quick stir and turn off the heat. So guys, ये अश्विन और रायर्थ हैं. ये हमारे खाने का रिव्यू देने जा रहे हैं. कैसा लगा आपको अश्विन?
खाने में बहुत टेस्टी था, एकदम कैसे समझाऊं, यूनिक टेस्ट था, एकदम एक्सक्विजिट.
ओह वाओ. एंड रायर्थ?
मेरा हाल देख के पता लग ही रहा होगा, बहुत टेस्टी बना है.
You just want attention. You